Widespread flooding from natural disasters can create big-time challenges for homeowners. At General Tools, we want to help you get back into your home safely and make the process go smoothly. Just going back to your property and seeing the damage is going to be tough enough, but what you can't see might be even worse. That's because flooding can not only reduce structural integrity, but also create a breeding ground for mold. Once it's safe to enter your home, you're ready to start the cleanup. But where do you start? Flood damage can seem overwhelming. So here's what you need to know. The key to moisture remediation is moisture measurement, and General Tools can help. We've shut off the power so there's no risk of shock. Then we've moved the undamaged items outside to dry. But the most important thing to keep mold from growing is remove excess water, so use a mop and bucket, wet dry vac, anything you can get your hands on. Open windows and doors to keep fresh air flowing. Then you have to determine the extent of water damage, and you can't do that by eyeballing it. The only way is by testing walls, ceilings, and floors with a moisture meter like this one from General Tools. You can get one at most home improvement and hardware stores, and it's easy to use. Just stick the pins into the damaged area, and you've got an instant, accurate moisture reading. That way you'll know which materials need replacing and which you can salvage by drying. Next, remove and throw out any wet material ASAP. Make sure to cut away wet drywall at least a foot above flood level. Start drying immediately with fans, dehumidifiers, and heaters. Keep doors and windows open to help speed things up. And I can't stress this enough. Take periodic readings with a moisture meter to check your progress. Once the moisture content is below a safe level, you're good to go. Now remember, you can't rush this process. If you rebuild before everything is completely dry, there's a chance mold will grow and all your work will be wasted. Sadly, many people learned that lesson the hard way after Hurricane Katrina. If you still have concerns, don't hesitate to call a mold remediation professional to make certain your home is mold-free. To learn more about moisture remediation and our moisture meters, visit generaltools.com.